Hello, welcome to Marty Academy. In this course, we will cover a wide range of topics, including basic Excel with core reporting, core advanced Excel, workforce management, dashboard management, PowerPoint presentation, PPT, skills, Power BI and Tableau dashboard training, Outlook optimization for emails, Google Suite training, report development, using live data, and file and folder management training. About Marty Academy. Marty provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marty's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. About Noorain Ansari. Noorain Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology, which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Noorain is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life: making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. The course covers the following topics: Excel tools, sorting and filters, custom formatting and naming ranges, mail merge, functions and formulas, array functions, date and time functions, including days, date and month, day and dative, statistical functions, including count, 3D count, countif, SUMIFs, averageif, sumproduct, countif versus sumproduct, sumifs versus sumproduct, maxifs versus sumproduct, avgif versus sumproduct. Text functions, including left, right, mid, substitute, replace, search, find, concatenate, and text join, rept, lay. Conditional formatting with advanced examples. Error handling. Protection and security. Test papers. Logical functions, including switch, choose, if, ifs, and if plus array introduction, or XOR, not, IFRA. Database functions, including DSUM, DAVERAGE, DMX, DMean, lookup. Additionally, quizzes and test papers will be provided for each of these topics, which can be helpful for reinforcing knowledge and assessing understanding. Indirect function, Zahrile. Lookup function. DX function. Power query. Power mapping. Web queries. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP Maharaj, lookup 80 types. XLOOK function. Pivot table and power pivot. Slicer timeline. Inquire. Flash fill. Cluster. Mini dashboard training. Advanced dashboard training. Charts and graphs. Index function with array. Additionally, quizzes and test papers will be provided for each of these topics to reinforce knowledge and assess understanding. This comprehensive training program covers various advanced Excel functions and features for participants to gain expertise in Excel data analysis and reporting.
This module covers three main areas: workforce management training, PowerPoint presentation, PPT training, and dashboard management training. Here's a summary of each section. Workforce management training: planning, resource management, staffing, manpower hiring, scheduling, rostering, time management, RTA, forecasting, predictive analysis, budgeting, financial supports, goal seek and financial functions. PowerPoint presentation, PPT, training using advanced features of MS PowerPoint to create presentations, customizing color schemes and adding animation effects, utilizing slide, notes, and handout masters, creating, editing, and importing charts, managing hyperlinks, creating and editing tables, creating custom shows. Dashboard management training: chart, SPARKLINES, PowerView Dynamic Chart and Form Controls Utilization. Introduction to Dashboards. Different types of dashboards, KPI, RCA, BI, etc. This module covers 4 main areas: Power BI, Tableau, Outlook, and Google Suite training. Here's a summary of each section. Power BI and Tableau dashboard training. Dashboard, key performance indicator, sales dashboards, sales automation, BI dashboards, business intelligence dashboard, RCA dashboards, workforce management dashboard, Outlook optimization, emails, training, Outlook configuration optimization of Outlook, including out-of-office messages, business writing skills, Google Suite training, Google Sheets and Docs, Google Drive, Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Hangouts, Gmail. Additionally, quizzes and test papers will be provided for each of these topics to reinforce knowledge and assess understanding. This comprehensive training program aims to equip participants with skills in Power BI, Tableau, Outlook, and Google Suite, enhancing their abilities in workforce management, email communication, and productivity tools. This module covers 2 main areas: report development and file and folder management training. Here's a summary of each section. Report development on live data training emphasizes the importance of good file management for easy document retrieval. Highlights the benefits of having a central location for task-specific documents. Encourages the creation of logical folder structures, including nested folders. Advises following file naming conventions and regular file backups. Discusses effective folder structures for organizing files. File and folder management training addresses the necessity of real-time reporting for business needs. Provides insights into data reporting basics. Demonstrates various types of live reports with business examples. Distinguishes between graphical reports for clients, differentiating between informational and analytical reports. Emphasizes the importance of actionable reports.